Brain injuries are usually caused by some sort of traumatic force, falling on the ground and hitting the back of your head. But more subtle, like, in car accidents, if you are rear-ended or stop quickly and your skull moves quickly back or forth, the brain inside that skull can face trauma on quick forward momentum. With that type of impact can cause disruption to the neurons in the brain. If a person's brain has been subjected to a traumatic force of some kind and they're showing signs of a brain injury, so things like, altered consciousness, headaches, loss of memory of the events, loss of vision, changes in speech, dizziness, balance issues, the combination of traumatic force and those immediate symptoms likely would suggest that that person suffered a traumatic brain injury. Symptoms of a traumatic brain injury will vary greatly depending on the severity of the injury. For many people who've sustained mild traumatic brain injuries, the changes can be quite subtle, such that only their close friends can see them. And I'm thinking in the context of personality changes. Many people who suffer mild traumatic brain injuries will develop personality change as a consequence. Personality changes are hard for people to notice themselves and will often get told by those close to them that they're seeing changes in their personality. If you want more information on brain injuries or legal processes around brain injuries, just give us a like or a follow and check us out at valentlegal.ca.